like out on a remote site and you're fucking on your side. Oh, what the? Right there, you fucking.
Holy, what the fuck was that? This guy just cut me right off with his rig. Jesus Christ. What the hell?
Kids could do no wrong, and they never corrected them. They did whatever they wanted to the other kids, and nobody said nothing. And she said, and they were terrorists. I said, oh, I know. I said, but 2 boys were beyond terrors.
I gotta go. A car just spun out in front of me and I hit him.
You did?
Yep. I gotta go.
Okay. I love you.
Love
Bye.
you.
Pretty good. We're on the right side. We're not blocking traffic. All right, thank you. As I was coming on the ramp, coming down the ramp onto, it's got another crash. I'm in the snow plow. We got cars piling up here. 128 north between Centennial. It's 4 now. It has nothing to do with us. They just piled into each other because they're looking for it.
Wow! Yeah. And then eventually it goes into one big giant circle. Just keep talking circles. Yes, we will. We are addressing that situation. Oh my God.
first, I thought this guy was just an idiot. But then he sped up, cut off the truck in the left lane, and brake checked. Maybe trying for an insurance payout.
Okay, you are sitting in the middle of the thing, no lights, you sit like, dude, in a black cop car.
Watch out, stupid truck.
Look at that. What a freaking idiot.
Streak against Michigan and trying to get to the Big Ten championship game in Indianapolis to face the Indiana Hoosiers, a team they did not see during the regular season this year.